أنين خكمة عنياتي قد شقيلنا من عنيات تسهدي طاسة ايتن قدشتا اوند يومايد رمشة وصفرة اتلن خا ساما اد إيلي قسهدي اد مغزوية لآها قد لا أخشي أن أماش أن أخنا بياوي وخ سهدي إن من دو يوما قد قبلوا وخ هيمانوتا مشيخيتا من دو يوما آها عيتا بشتي لقريتا عيتا تسهدي شبغ زديق المريا سادي ويتن تقاري واسي مدخن بشميا زنتون المرقانيثا بذ ما دردي صوريكون هلخ من عم العمّا أخمذيتا دخر خلاشورا مذعر المديانا كريخ الساد لوريدا مضمضت أرات بيل سمكو بخيلا تصلدون مطولا ثاخذ قطال كل يوم ما رسد وثبطل مطل شو غدر بوثيل بيوم تصلي ودانا من يمين مقيم الهون مطل تمن قذ مريا بركث وخيع ذم العالم عيك السديد غطال والبسم الدميون تمن تدرق الشام والقرب شينا عودا نختا يما بالبين سادي ويتون تقاري وو يما ويوشر ديتون يما بدمع شينتون واليوشا بصلا وذغون وما طاو ما شبي ما بقلي لدري شيكون دغدلتي هيمنوثا صبت وخد قلشا طوعي طاوي وشبيري صلي جلا ماما يا مرن ولا سهدت تهويل غلبانه وبوطلن الخلطن يتخنبوتا اني هاوي بيان وطلبانه من جيبان الماروتوخ بيوم جورا وخقيرات بيه بيش قليتا كينو تخمشمية يا ديانا كينو مليا رخمي وبخلانت قناهات وخطيات مرد كل اوا وورا وروخت قد شغل مي
There are many people that deserve thanks for tonight's program, so very quickly I just want to make sure that they are mentioned. I'd like to thank Mr. Tony Atu, Mr. Hani Ukhanna, Mr. Frank Gilbert, Mr. Tiglat Isabi, Mr. Yuesh Dikaleda, Mr. Dan Khazumaya again, Mr. Robert Isha. We'd like to thank Your Elegant Occasions, OC Joe Photography, Shamasha Tony Kori, Mr. David Hanna, Mr. Chris Georges, and Mr. Aziz Yonan. Thank you. I'm going to go off the script here a little bit. I do want to apologize. I know we promised an hour-and-a-half program. We've gone a little bit over that time. But truly, this is a very small way to honor the sacrifice of so many made over the course of the past 100 years. And the last 100 years for the Assyrian, Chaldean, Syriac people have undoubtedly been the darkest in our history. But we remain faithful and we remain strong in the hope that the next 100 years will tell a different story, and the next 100 years will see Assyria truly rise. And I think we're seeing that here today, as Mr. Steve Oshana said. It's incredible to see the response to the atrocities that are being committed overseas, to see young people stand up for what they believe in and demand rights for their brothers and sisters overseas is incredible, and it's continuing to grow, and I think that we will see that continue throughout the next 100 years. Again, I do want to thank you all for being here, and please continue to keep the Assyrians that are struggling overseas in Iraq and in Syria, and the Christians across the Middle East. It's important that we do not forget them. And to all those that are fighting bravely in our name, in the name of Assyria, and in the name of Christ, please know that you are in our hearts. And one of my favorite sayings that always brings me to tears is "Sahde lemeti," and it's true. The past 100 years, martyrs, all of them, martyrs never die. So we are eternally grateful for their sacrifice, and we will make them proud in this next 100 years. May we put our divisions behind us, and may we see the youth come forward and truly begin to make a difference. And there are so many people in the community, His Grace Marpolis, His Grace Mergiuergis, among so many others. If I start naming them all, we'll be here all night, that truly support the youth. And because of people like that, I truly believe that the next 100 years will tell a different story. Thank you all so much for being here. God bless you, God bless Assyria, and God bless America. Thank you.